Okay, so we have talked about Redis earlier. Now let's discuss why is Redis so fast. So when you ask this to someone, most people would say that because it is an in-memory database. It is true, but like it is somewhat incomplete. We'll go into the depths. Now the first point is that it is a single-threaded I/O. Basically, Redis processes commands in a single thread. There are no mutex locks or no thread contention, which you would have studied in operating systems. And there are no race conditions. But like then how it handles thousands of concurrent connections? The answer is I/O multiplexing. Redis uses this epoll on Linux and a KQ on Mac OS to handle thousands of socket connections with a single thread, and it only processes each one when it's ready. Now this gives it a predictable and ultra low latency, and every command completes in microseconds. Second part is that it is has optimized internal data structures. Redis doesn't uses generic structures. For small sets it uses a zip list. It is a compact byte array, and for larger set it switches to a hash table or skip list. It automatically upgrades between representations as your data grows. So it is zip list, and second one is the skip list. This is why Redis uses far less memory than you would accept for typical workloads. The third point is the persistent. But wait, if Redis is in memory, what happens when the server crashes? Does it crash also? So here is a concept of RDB snapshots. Redis periodically forks the process and writes a point in time snapshot to disk. It is fast to restore, but you lose data since the last snapshot. And the second is AOF, which is termed as append only file. In this, every write command is logged to a file, and on restart, Redis replays the log, and slower to restore, but it has minimal data loss. So the production recommendation here would be that we use both RDB for fast restores and AOF for minimal data loss. Now the second last is Redis cluster. It has hash slots. We have talked about it also in the earlier video. Now, as I mentioned, Redis cluster uses 16,384 hash slots. And the method to find which slot is this CRC16. This is the key mod, the total number of hash slots. The cluster maps slot ranges to nodes, and this gives us automatic data distribution, the failover, horizontal read scaling, the replicas which we have discussed. The last one is that it has the pub sub and the streams, which you would have obviously heard about. It has built-in pub sub messaging, and it uses Redis streams like Kafka Lite for durable and long based message queues.